Hello everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am back with my next design team package for Country Craft Creations. This one is a super fun paper collection. I cannot wait to start working with this. In fact, this was again one where I loved it enough I ordered extra because I'm insane and this is what I do, because if any of you have seen pictures of my craft room, I apparently don't have enough paper. But we all do this. You all know this. Okay. So let's get into this. So, of course, we always get some chipboards. This time I have 8.5 by 11 chipboard, which my initial project, which was something I came up with, oh my gosh, like at the April retreat or right before the April retreat here in Utah. And I haven't had time to work on it until now. And really when I had designed it initially, I hadn't even seen this paper. I was going to use something else. This paper is 1,000% better for it. So you guys are going to love it. I'm actually going to get started on that this morning. But for the initial project I'm using, I'm actually not going to use this. I'm going to use lightweight chipboard, which when you see it, it'll make sense. So moving on. We've got some ribbons in here. Let's see here. Oh, and apparently I have a sucker. I know those have been going in the boxes lately for orders. So we've got some really bright red, some blue, and some green, which just are perfect with this. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to stick that back in the bag so that I don't misplace it, because as you all know, 2 years ago, I lost the ribbon for one of my design team packages. I still have not found it. Okay, so I have Undersea Adventures from Echo Park. I just think this is the most fun, cute paper. This is perfect for, trips to the aquarium. This is good for really even beach days. I mean, it's a fun, fun paper. So we've got a lot of good stickers to choose from on the sticker sheet here. Of course, the little banner stickers, which I love. That's a tag. Just lots and lots of fun little sea creatures and little phrases and whatnot, and a couple of really good borders on here. So I have the 2 each of the matching solids. So this one is a red and a light blue. We have a little bit darker blue and a green, which is really pretty. Oh, is that it? Okay, so maybe I just have the 2 matching solids. Okay. I think there's one more because I think I did order it. I just don't remember what it is. Where it's gotten shuffled down on the bottom here. I guess that's it. Okay. So matching solids. We've got, and I do have 2 each of the pattern sheets this time. So this one we've got just a bunch of sea creatures, and then just a nice kind of blue with black, like little X's on there. This is just a good neutral paper that could be used for anything. Here we've got whales in lots of different colors. And on the back we've got like some little scallop, like fish scales, like mermaid scales. Here we've got a word collage paper, which this is always really fun if you want to fussy cut something small out of this. These are good even just, to use like bigger pieces of. I love these kinds of pages. We've got like some bubbles, light blue with dark blue bubbles. Here we've got adorable sea turtles. And we've got green with some like kind of wavy dots on the back here. We've got adorable little submarines. And then red with little fishes on the back. And here we have actual bubbles, which I love this paper, with an orange on the back. So they've done a really great job with this, with having just some good neutral prints on the back that you could use. Even if you liked the neutrals and didn't like the sea paper, you could still use these on cards and other layouts and things. And we've got sharks, lots and lots of sharks. And then again, another good neutral with the yellow with the white polka dots. And then we've got, of course, cut-aparts. And Echo Park has been doing something a little bit different with their cut-aparts for the last, I don't know how long they've been doing it. So you end up with several different sizes on one sheet, which is kind of nice. It definitely gives you some more options. So you've got a big border strip down here with the shipwreck. I love this one. Got a couple of good 4x6, some 3x4, and then you've got some just small titles on here as well. And on the back side we have starfish. So here we've got just a whole bunch of just really colorful, beautiful fish. And then this is my favorite sheet in the entire collection. I love this. I have a plan for this. You guys are just gonna die. So just really cute, you know, scenery essentially with the plants and the fish and everything and the waves. I love, 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 love this one. And then we have just 3x4 cut aparts, which are always awesome. And you've got a smaller version of this one on there, which is really cool. And then you've got, with your whale, you've got some little sentiments, you've got a journaling spot. Sorry, I'm losing my voice this morning, apparently. And then we've got this one that complements that one just perfectly with just the waves. I love it. I love it. I love it. And then we have the 4x4 cut aparts, which I always love these too. Actually, you all know I love cut aparts. I'm like obsessed with cut aparts. Excuse me. So these are all sentiment ones for the most part. We've got one little just kind of collage here that again is a small version of, you know, a smaller version of one of the other pages. And crabs on the back that are adorable. And then we do have the 4x6 cut aparts as well, which is, I love these. You know this. I'm repeating myself. I'm sorry. It's early. So yeah, we've got some really good 4x6, and then we've got cute octopus on the back of that. So that is my actual design team package. And then I did supplement with the frames and tags. Oh, there is one other color. Okay, so there is one other color in the solids, because I always get extras. I like having extra solids, and half the time I don't end up using them, but I buy them anyway. Because if nothing else, these are always good with cards. Like, you can use them sometimes with other collections. But there is another one that has the yellow and the dark blue. So I'm thinking that was probably supposed to have been in there, but it wasn't. And that's fine. And then I just have, you know, extra cut aparts and whatnot that I did purchase on my own. But the frames and tags, there's some really cute little tags in here with some scenes on them. Cute the frames. And then, of course, your little sentiment pieces that are always fun. So I will get going on the new project. And hopefully, fingers crossed, I will have it up before too much longer. So hope you guys enjoyed this. And as always, like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.